Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. I'm here to show you how to make a Z card real quick and easy. It's a shape like a Z. I think that's why it's named that way. And I'm going to also show you the cutting and embossing dies that I got with it. So here's the card. See how it's shaped like a Z? And here's the card I made. Let me do my control. I think it's on. Okay, so there's the card, and it's quick and easy. So let me show you how to do it. But also, see how it's raised and embossed all at one time, and it cut all at one time. So I'll show you that too. Okay, so this is what I have. This came in a pack of 3 pieces from Crafter's Companion, and I'll show you all the pieces that I cut, but we're going to use this one. It says cut and emboss. I bought these on HSN, and mine was damaged, so I just got it in today, and I've been waiting on it. So I'm so happy to have it. So here are the ones that I cut. So here is the little one for the corner. See it embossed, and it cut it. And here is the scalloped too. That's a nice size. Let's see. It's 6 inches, so that's a nice size. And this one is 2. Okay, and then here it is this is just gold sheeting for envelopes. I went to Hobby Lobby and they had them on clearance for $1.24. And what it is envelope sheets you put inside your envelope for the inside of the envelope. And look at that embossment on that, on the gold. Can you imagine if it was cardstock? And this has got sticky on the back to peel off. So this is extremely, extremely thin. And here is the one, this is the back side of it. That's the front side of it. I went ahead and I did it twice with the gel medium, and so that's what it looks like too. So, and these are the actual cutouts, the extras, so you could really use those a lot. I did use it on my first card. So let's make a card real fast. So it does matter which direction it gets embossed. So this is the bottom side. You need to face the side that you want embossed prettier and heavier down. So let's just stick it in here and run it through my machine. I'm using a Gemini machine from Crafter's Companion. I forgot to push it through. I actually got this from Tuesday morning for $5.99. I just got it yesterday, and I'm trying to do 2 things at once. And it's called Love Story by Echo Park, and this is the paper that I'm using. It's really pretty paper. I'm kind of over Valentine's. I made so many, but I was ready to play with this card and the heart. So, by the way, guys, the sandwich is just your 2 clear plates. Do not use anything else. It will smush this out and ruin the plastic. Only your 2 clear plates when you're using it. So it cut it, and here are my extra pieces. Let's put that off to the side. And there's the back pattern, but look at that. Okay, let's make the card real fast. So, where are my card pieces that I want to use? Okay, so I have a card that is 5 by 6.5. I bought these pre-done at I want to say Michael's. You know, you buy the packs of 50 cards with the 50 envelopes. So this is 5 by 6.5. And I just want to score just the front one. Just the front one. And I want to score it. Let's see, I want to score it at 2.5. It's pretty thick, so I want to run it through twice. And we're done with the scoring. And I'm going to fold it this way. And then I have 2 sheets of paper. I have the small sheet of paper is 2 1/4 by 6 1/4, and that gives me 1/8 all the way around as a border. Let me put that one right there so you can kind of see what I'm doing as I'm making it. And so let's put the tape on it. Okay, and let's place it. Down. Okay, then this sheet of paper for the inside is 4 3/4 by 6 1/4, and it goes on the inside. So let's change. So it gives us 1/8. Let's change the pattern up a little bit. Let's put this one on here. Okay. And that heart that came out was actually an accident. Let's go ahead and put our embossed one on. So we only want it to do half, and we want it to stop at the peak and stop right here. So let's put the tape on it only by half. Don't go over. Okay, and let's just line that up. So our card is done. This one right here, I happened to do it like that, and I'm like, hey, I could have a heart peeking through like that, and that's cute. But I only did it on the one. I don't want to do it on the second one. So there you go, guys. I love this embossing cut folder. She has 3 patterns on HSN Crafter's Companion. I only bought the one, but I'm going to go back and buy the other 2. They are a lot more than I normally would spend. I think they're $24 for the 3 pieces, but it embosses, it cuts, and I just love this. So there's my project. So there are the cards. I hope you like this tutorial. It was quick and easy, and put a like or subscribe. And if you really like how I'm just making these quick, easy cards, please let me know so that I'll do one maybe once a week or twice a week. Thank you, guys. Have a blessed day.